Wes is going to town over here. Motor mounts on Chrysler's Imperial. Passenger side's a pain in the butt. Driver side ain't so bad. Ooh. Oh shit, you already got the bolt out of here. I didn't even notice that until I looked.
Yep.
Good job, sir.
Come on, thank you. I got the bolt out of this one too. I'm just getting the top bolt.
See what happens when you bring on somebody else that knows what the fuck they're doing? Yeah, anyway. This way, shit gets tag teamed. It's fighting the bolt out. I don't know if you can see that, but whatever. We're trying. Let's get in this side. So, mount's going in. Trans mount going in. Then we got oil pressure and water temp sender going in. And then we get to tag team the fuel sender. Joy, joy. Progress.
Right, fuel level sender on Chrysler's Imperial. Step 1. Remove wire. The ground goes to the hard line. There's a ground strap. Pull that off of there. I'll get that in a second. Take care of that. I need to undo this fuel line here. Pop this right here. I can pull that sender out.
Alright, there's a driver's side. You got the original? Original. And it is original. And there's our new ones. There's our original. And guess what? On the original, this was literally finger tight. Wes and I got this out. We had to tag team that. Then we go to pull this out, and I undid the nut like that, and he goes, "Yeah, I never put anything on that." Well, I'm sure that's our vibration. That and these are 48 years old. That original numbers.